Public memory is usually very short. Do you remember the incident of October 3? In Kheda, in Gujarat, some Muslim men threw stones at a Garba festival. Those criminals were picked up by the police. The very next day, 4th of October, what do we see? A video went viral which showed some Muslim men, almost half a dozen Muslim men, are brought near a pole. Each one is tied to a pole and being flogged by some people with lathis. And the video showed there were about 100 men and women celebrating it, feeling very, very great happiness about viewing such an incident. Everyone thought when this came on the social media, this must be a Hindu vigilante group which has this tendency to take law into their hands and mete out punishment on their own. But later it was known, it came to the public knowledge, the lead man who was beating up, flogging these people, and the two people who were holding the Muslim men to the pole, they were all policemen. One was a police inspector and the other were constables. And we are told that in fact, before making this public display, they had sent out messages to the neighborhood that come and assemble and cheer us that we will give justice in front of your eyes. Can you imagine this? Taliban-style flogging by policemen. Policemen should be the protector of law, and they are in fact violating the law. They become the jury and prosecutor and executioner themselves. Yes, these Muslim men were criminals and they needed to be punished as per law. But police taking the recourse to executing the law itself and taking the decision about the punishment by itself, that's indeed a very, very sad reflection on the state of our legal system, state of our administration, state of democracy itself. 15 days have passed. Lot of organizations, Muslim organizations, human rights organizations have raised the matter, have told the Gujarat police chief, NHRC, they must take action. 15 days have passed. Has any action been taken? At least I have no information. We don't see in public media as to if any action has been taken. If the government of the day, if the protector of the human rights organization of the day turn a blind eye to such effrontery, such blatant, naked violation of the legal process, then what will remain of India? What is in fact tragic? It's not the ruling party of Gujarat, it's not the ruling party of India which has winked at this and refused to take cognizance. Even the opposition parties. Take the lead opposition in Gujarat, Congress. Had any Congress leader raised their voice on this? Look at the Aam Aadmi Party, which is seeking to replace Congress as the main opponent to the BJP. Has it ever raised the issue before the public? Only Trinamool Congress, which is a regional party of West Bengal, they only wrote a letter to the NHRC, please look into the matter and take action. Most other opposition parties remained silent. Why? Because they feel that if they become proactive in the matter, they may lose the Hindu vote, the majority community's vote. Look at this majority and minority binary initiated by the ruling party of the country has now affected every opposition party. They are not ready, prepared to speak up for the rule of law. If this is the situation that we are going through, and if this persists over a period of time, can we deny that India will turn into a Talibani state?